Hello, I'm Vâng from Yamato Noodle School. Today I would like to introduce a perfect winter dish for you. Curry tsukemen. It combines fresh handmade noodles with a rich, warming curry dipping broth. Whether you are in Japan or anywhere else in the world, this flavor brings a special comfort. At Yamato, you don't just learn recipe. We teach you how to understand noodle structure, how to create elasticity, and how to balance curry with dashi to build a complete tsukemen dish. You will practice everything directly with our equipment and techniques. For Japanese students, you will clearly feel the difference between handmade restaurant quality noodles and mass-produced noodles. For international students, this dish can easily become a signature item for your business. If you want to create your own noodle and learn about our dish that you can start selling in this winter, please come and experience our classes at Yamato. We are looking forward to seeing you.